has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brooks County in deep South Texas, southeastern Jim Hogg County in deep South Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Agua to near San Rafael Ranch Airport, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and property. Vehicle damage will include cracked or shattered windshields and major dents requiring significant repairs. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Falfurrias, Rectal, Encino, Falfurrias Fire Station, Falfurrias Junior High School, San Rafael Ranch Airport, La Colonia Park, Pleasant Park, El Coyote Ranch Airport and Brooks County Airport. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Additional issues to flash flood watches and warnings still in effect, still to come.